In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Notion Workspace. It's a simple process that can greatly enhance your collaboration efforts, whether you're working on personal projects or as part of a larger team. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Notion and navigate to the settings. Depending on how your layout is configured, you'll want to look for either the People tab or the Members section. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click on Members. This action will take you to the Members Management area of your workspace. On the right-hand side of your screen, you should see an option labeled Add Members. This is your gateway to inviting new collaborators to your workspace. Click on that, and a new window will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of those you'd like to invite. Not only can you add one person, but you also have the capability to enter multiple email addresses all at once. This can be a huge time saver if you're adding several team members or collaborators simultaneously. Below the field where you've entered the email addresses, you'll find the Role field. The Role field is particularly important because it lets you determine what type of access or permissions each new member will have. Consider what responsibilities each person will hold within your workspace, and choose a role that matches their needs. Whether they should have full editing capabilities or just view-only access, this is where you set those parameters. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and ensured the details are accurate, go ahead and click Send Invite. This button will instantly send an email invitation to the selected individuals, prompting them to join your Notion workspace. It's a seamless system designed to streamline the inviting process. But wait, there's another way. If this way doesn't quite suit your flow, you have the alternative option of inviting people directly through the Invite Members option located in your main sidebar. This method functions in much the same way. Just type in the email addresses of those you wish to invite and send the invitation on its way. And just like that, you're done. You now know how to add new members to your Notion workspace quickly and efficiently. With just a few clicks, you've made it possible for others to collaborate and contribute to your projects in a cohesive and organized environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if it's made your Notion experience a bit smoother, feel free to drop a comment below. We're always on the lookout for new Notion tips and tricks to share, so stay tuned for more. Happy collaborating!